Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us solve two questions, exponential and radical expression. Question number 1, we need to evaluate 64 square minus 64 power 0 over 63. First, we are going to form difference of two squares in the numerator, then we are going to simplify. We know that 64 power 0 is equal to 1. So we are going to have 64 square minus 1 over 63, but 1 we can put it as 1 square, that is going to be 64 square minus 1 square, which is going to bring answer as 1 over 63. But we know that if we have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Let us apply this to the numerator, that is going to be 64 plus 1, then 64 minus 1, this is over 63. 64 plus 1, we got 65, multiply by 64 minus 1, we got 63 over 63. We can simplify here by 63, 1 by 63, it is 1. We are going to get the answer equal to 65. Let us do question number 2. We have square root of 100 plus square root of 36 divided by square root of 16. Let us find the inner square root in the denominator, that is going to be square root of 100, it is 10, plus square root of 36, it is 6, over square root of 16, we got 4. 10 plus 6, it is 16, so we have square root of 16 over 4. Square root of 16, it is 4, so we have 4 over 4, by 4, 1, by 4, 1, we got the answer is equal to 1. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.